Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a game test on the OPPO Find X8 and on the MOTOROLA Razr 60 Ultra. Alright, so let's begin with the gaming, and I'm gonna perform this test on the PUBG Mobile. So in the beginning, let's begin with the OPPO, and I'm gonna test the game on this phone at first. Alright, so the app is running. Let's wait until we will be able to get into the settings, because I might have to set some things. Let me also log in quickly. Alright. Now I have access to the game, and I can skip. Okay, I can skip that cutscene. Let's run actually the training room, but first let's open up the settings. Oh, that's the settings of the of the searching. So let's run the training test. So in here we'll see how it looks like when it comes to the performance and the FPS. So currently let's open up the settings, and now graphics, and for this test I'm gonna be using the settings which are right here. So simply I'm gonna select the better frame rate. You can also see these other things below, and to measure the FPS I'm gonna use the built-in game center. So as you can see, currently we have 120 FPS. It's the maximum volume. I think there's no possible way to get more. I think it's locked on that level. And we can also see the ping and the temperature of our device currently. So it's 32 degrees. And now let me run on the map for a while. Let me also pick some guns. Also, when it comes to gaming, the game runs really smooth. You might not see it on camera, but when I'm looking on the screen and when I have 120 FPS, the game runs really smooth, and it's really comfortable to play and watch what's going on, and to watch what's going on the screen currently. Also, when I will be shooting, the frame rate doesn't drop below that 120, and again I would say that you might not see it on the video as I do it IRL. Also, the size of the phone is really comfortable to hold, and when it comes to the gaming, the phone lies really comfortable in my hands. And I think when it comes to the long gaming, it's pretty comfortable to use this device. Also, we have that 33 degrees on our meter. Also, I'm using the Pro Gamer mode. You can see it right in here, and the phone isn't even hot. It's really comfortable to play on that device. Maybe there will be some drops below that frame rate, and when it will be a lot of explosions on the screen, a lot of shooting in the short period of time. But when it comes for running, shooting at the same time, the frame rate doesn't even drop. So it's still holding the 120 FPS level. I think it's not possible to go below 110 FPS. Also, let me pick some other guns. Now also let's try how it will look like when we will max out the graphics. So let's select the better graphics, this mode, click on apply. I'm not gonna, max out all the all settings. And now currently we have stable actually not 100, but we have 60 FPS on when we max out the graphics. So it also looks pretty smooth to play. Of course, it's not the same feeling as 120 FPS, but it's still really comfortable to play. So if you like better graphics than better better FPS, you can select the better graphics in the settings of the PUBG, and it will still be really comfortable to play on this OPPO phone. Alright, so now I'm gonna launch this game on the Motorola, and we'll see which one is better. Alright, so now I launched the PUBG on the Motorola. Now let me show you which settings I set. So let's open up the graphics, and now currently I have better frame rate enabled. And on the Motorola game mode, because that phone also has a built-in app to monitor the game. And when it comes to the performance mode, I selected on turbo, just like on the previous device. But in here, I don't know why I cannot see the FPS. We can only see the gigahertz and the percentage of the CPU and the GPU. But when I'm playing the game, it also has 120 FPS when I can't see it on the FPS meter because there is no that kind of meter. But when I'm playing and running on the map, it is still it looks practically the same as it was on the OPPO. So both of the phones are really comfortable to play. Remember also that this phone is folded, so you can fold it just like that. Also, if you want, you can try to place it something like that and play in that way, if you will be able to achieve something like that. But it's not that comfortable when it's lying like that. Also, if you will do something like that, unfortunately, you cannot play this game when the phone is folded. But when I'm holding the phone, it also is pretty comfortable to hold and comfortable to play. And again, the level of the FPS is practically the same as it was on the OPPO. We also have 120 FPS right in here. I can feel it simply. Okay, and now let's change the quality just like we did on the OPPO. Now let's select the better graphics, click on apply. Alright, and now I can see that we don't have 120 FPS, but the game is still really comfortable to play. So when you like better graphics than higher FPS, on the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, playing games such as PUBG or any other games that require good parameters of your device, you can play the PUBG really smooth on this device. And also let me check, I can't see the temperature. Oh, actually, yeah, the core currently is 36 degrees, so it's practically the same as it was on the OPPO. But I think that I don't know why I cannot see that FPS. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I don't think so. But there's always a chance. Also, this phone is a little bit bit bigger. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the OPPO, but it's thicker at the same time, and it also lies pretty well in my hands. It's really actually comfortable to hold, even if it's bigger than the OPPO. It's still really comfortable to hold it in my hands, and I think that the hands won't get tired when you're playing for a longer time, for above 1 hour. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.